Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Dailey Elementary Charter School here in Fresno, California, home of the Dragons. I got to speak to grades K through 5 today in their cafeteria. 2 separate assemblies, one for K2, one for 3-5, so both age appropriate according to grade levels. And the main focus, my first time visit on their campus today, was about bullying, looking at someone's heart first, right? The same way that you see your best friend for their heart before anything else. And we told them, I told them that, our heart's as big as our fist, but if we can let love, peace, compassion, kindness fully enter into here, we can turn that into this, the peace sign. Right, one finger is yourself, the other is someone you're trying to lift up higher than yourself by how you choose to treat them. But it's also 2, because in just 2 seconds, one word, one action, one heartbeat, one breath. 2 seconds, we can either uplift or we can tear down. Say something that stays on their heart forever, potentially in a bad way or, in a good way. We have that choice. And whatever we're going through or have gone through or will go through, we always talk about too that hurt people. Big reason why bullying happens, but healed people heal people, right? So we always have that choice, to rise above that hate and show that love no matter what. And, one of the students just shared his heart with me after, actually told me about one of his friends that was teased because of his weight, and he said, hey, I stepped up and I said, that's not nice. You shouldn't be judging someone or making fun of them for any reason, how they're born, how they walk, how they talk, how they see, how they hear, how they learn, their skin color, the languages that they speak, the foods that they eat. We should be able to honor, accept everyone, right? And when he told me about that, he said that the student that he stood up for, it really meant a lot to him, right? And the person that was saying the mean thing kind of thought twice, right? So to have that courage, to risk getting bullied himself, embarrassed himself, or judged himself, that was beautiful. And that does take a lot of courage to be able to see people for their heart first, but also for this too. I bring this up in all my assemblies, but all of us with lines on our hands have the letter M. I trace one of mine here. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one in each hand. And that M stands for miracle, right? Upside down W is for worthy. Like the front of my shirt though says miracle. And that's a reminder that all of us are beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, right? Because a lot of students that I've spoken to, adults as well, sometimes have forgotten that, never been told that, or just don't believe it. If we can be that light to their hearts, that's how we start to make a difference in this world. And this world needs more kindness, needs more love, needs all of us to do our part. And if we can choose that love, choose that kindness, know that we are those mirrors that can reflect the hatred, or we can reflect, kindness, peace, compassion, empathy. Some of the principles I've seen all around their school on different banners here at Dailey Charter, it's just really inspiring for me to think that these students are going to keep, picking up that torch and really making a difference, right? That fire we talk about as dragons in our hearts can, be that change that we want to see for this world. So thanks for touching my heart. It was a great, beautiful day here. The sun is shining as well here in sunny Cali. Hope to be back in the future. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart one school at a time. Peace.